Good morning students, welcome back to the Maths channel, and this is a continuation class of the Eamcet 2023 May 15 Shift to Math Solutions class number 6. Okay, let us see the problems. The first one, integral dx by 4 plus 5 cos x. Very easy question, direct type E1. Okay, so integral 1 by a plus b cos x method. So how to solve this question? Simply replacing the values into dx. What are the values here? We have to replace. Dx is equal to 2 dt by 1 plus t square, and the value of the cos x is equal to 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. Now doing the simplification, do the LCM and take the calculations, then you get the value. Integral 2 dt by 9 minus t square, and here we take that 9 as the 3 square, so this is in the form of the 1 by a square minus x square. And what is the formula for the 1 by a square minus x square? 1 by 2a log a plus x by a minus x. Okay, the formula for 1 by a square minus x square is equal to 1 by 2a log a plus x by a minus x plus c. What is a value? 3, and what is x value? T. So replace the values. And finally, what is the value of the t here? T is equal to tan x by 2. After substituting the values in the formula, replace the t is equal to tan x by 2. Very easy question, direct type E. So answer is the second option. That's all. This is the answer. Understand all of you? See the next problem. If f of x is equal to x minus step x by x minus 2 for x greater than 2, and this is equals to b for x is equal to 2. This is the first function, and the second one is modulus of x square minus x minus 2 by a into 2 plus x minus x square for minus 1 less than or equals to x less than minus 1 less than x less than or equals to 2, and this is 2a minus b for x less than or equals to 1. This is continuous on R. Then what is this value? Given that the function is continuous at R, means it is continuous at the values x is equals to 2 and x is equals to minus 1. Okay, the function is continuous at x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 1. So it is continuous at x is equal to 2 means left hand limit is equals to right hand limit is equals to f of 2. All values are equal. Okay, x greater than 2, that is here we have to take the right hand limit value. X is equal to 2, f of 2 value. Just equate the values here. Right hand limit is equal to f of 2. Okay, right hand limit means limit extends to 2 plus the given function is equals to, given that the value is equals to 2. So equating these two values, now x tends to 2 plus means what is the value of the step x is equals to, we have to take the value more than 2 here, that is take the value step of 2.1, and step of 2.1 is equal to 2. Understand all of you? X tends to 2 plus means we have to take the value that is greater than 2 in place of step x. So step of 2.1 becomes 2, then this becomes x minus 2 by x minus 2, both are cancelled, then you get the value b is equal to 1. Understand all of you? X tends to 2 plus means this becomes 2 here, x minus 2 by x minus 2, both are cancelled, so it will be 1, b is equals to 1. Okay, so from the first function directly you get the value b value. Now by using the second function, simply have to find the value a value. Okay, now so again from the second function, this is also continuous, that is left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. Left hand limit is equals to right hand limit, that is limit extends to minus 1 minus. Left hand limit means you have to take the first function, right hand limit means you have to take the second function. Okay, now see here, now see here, minus 1 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 2. So these are nothing but the roots of the given expression. So x square quotient greater than 0, then within the limits values the function is negative. Here under modulus means we have to take the negative value in this interval. Okay, that is the condition. So this becomes minus of x square minus 6 minus 2, that is minus x square plus x plus 2. Now these two values are cancelled. Here under modulus, how we have to take the negative sign by removing the modulus sign. What is the region in these? So simply నేను ఒకటి చెప్తాను చూడండి. -1 less than x less than or equals to. So here 0 is the value that lies in this interval. So replace 0 in the numerator, then what you get? -2. -2 means that is a negative value. That is, it returns a negative value within these values. That is, this becomes minus of x square minus x minus 2. Now cut these two values. When we multiply the numerator by the minus, it will become the denominator value. So cut the two values. Now write the remaining values. Okay, that is, remaining values are 1 by a is equal to 2a minus 1. Okay, now taking the cross product, 2a square minus a is equals to 1. That is 2a square minus a minus 1 equal to 0. Then find the a value. You get the value a is equals to 1 and a is equals to minus 1 by 2. Now in the first case, I take that a is equals to 1. Okay, take the question. In here, replace a is equals to 1 and b is equals to 1. Then this becomes sin square x by x square plus x into tan x by x square. Okay, just replace that a is equals to 1 and b is equal to 1. Sin square x by x square is equals to 1. Cut the 1 value. Tan x by x is equal to 1. So answer is equals to 1 plus 1, that is equals to 2. That is nothing but the third option. Understand all of you? Replace a is equals to 1, b is equal to 1 and separate the denominators. This is the formula becomes 1. This is the formula becomes 1. 1 plus 1 is equals to 2 and that is nothing but the third option. That's all. This is the answer. Understand all of you? Okay, see the next problem. The function f of x is equal to square root of 3x square minus 5x minus 2 by 2x square minus 7x plus 5 has discontinuous point at x is equals to. To find the discontinuous point, simply equate the denominator equal to 0. Then you get the values x is equals to 5 by 2 comma 1. That is nothing but the required answer. Simply it is enough to find the factorization of the denominator. Then we get the values x is equal to 1 comma 5 by 2. Means here at these 2 points the function is discontinuous. So answer is the third option. That's all. That is the only answer. Now see the next problem. S is equal to x square by k minus 7 plus y square by 11 minus k minus 1 equals to 0. Then which of the following statements is incorrect? Okay, first write the given equation here. So what is the first option? We have to check which of the following options is wrong here. Okay, so first to take this first option, s is equal to 0 represents a circle with radius is equal to root 7 when k is equals to 9. Okay, when k is equal to 9, replace k is equals to 9 in the equation, then it becomes x square by 2 plus y square by 2 is equals to 1. That is nothing but x square plus y square is equal to 2, which is nothing but the equation of the circle, and here radius is equals to root 2. Yes, the first option is the correct answer here. So here we get the circle equation with radius is equal to root 2. That is the first option is correct. Now check the second option. Now check the second option. S is equal to 0 represents an ellipse with eccentricity root 2 by 3 when k is equals to 10. Replace k is equal to 10 here. 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. 11 minus 10 is equal to 1. So clearly this is in the form of the x square by s square plus y square by b square equals to 1, which is nothing but the equation of the ellipse. Now what is the eccentricity formula to this one? Here a greater than b, that is eccentricity E is equals to formula square root of a square minus b square by a square. What are the values of a square comma b square? 3 comma 1. Means 3 minus 1. 2 by root a square 3. Root over 2 minus 3, that is nothing but the eccentricity of the ellipse. Yes, this is also the right answer. Okay, now check the third option. For k is equal to 10, the eccentricity becomes root 2 by 3 and it represents the hyperbola. Sorry, k is equals to 12. Second option is also our third option. K is equals to 12. Root 6 by 5 is the eccentricity and it represents the hyperbola. So replace k is equals to 12 here. Then this becomes x square by 5 plus y square by minus 1, that is minus y square by 1 equal to 0, which is the equation of the hyperbola. Since this is in the form of the x square base square minus y square by base square equals to 1. Now eccentricity is equal to form the square root of a square plus b square by a square. That is equals to 5 plus 1, 6 by 5 under square root of. Yes, this is also the right answer. Now check the last option. Okay. K is equals to 13, then this equation represents the hyperbola with eccentricity is equal to root 2 by 3. Here we don't get the value root 2 by 3. This is the fourth option. Here we get the value root 8 by 6, but option is given as root 3 by 2. So this is not the correct option. This is not the correct answer. So means fourth option is the correct option. Okay. When K is equal to 30, it represents the hyperbola. Yes, up to that statement correct this is, but eccentricity is given as root 3 by 2, but we get the eccentricity as root 8 by 6. So it is not the correct answer. Understand all of you? Very easy question. We have to check the conditions only. Okay. Now see the next problem. Very easy question. Direct IP. Let 1, 2 be the focus. Let 1, 2 be the focus, and x plus 5 plus 1 equal to 0 be the directrix of a hyperbola, and if root 3 is the eccentricity of the hyperbola, then what is its equation? Focus given, directrix given, eccentricity given. We want the hyperbola equation. What is the definition of the hyperbola? SP is equal to into PM, then SP square is equal to A square into PM square. SP square, distance between P and S. P is equals to point x comma y, and P is equals to point x comma y, and S is equals to 1 comma 2. That the distance SP square is equal to x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. Root 3 whole square is equal to 3. PM is equal to perpendicular distance from P to this line, that is x plus y plus 1 by root 2 whole square. Okay. Now taking the simplification, you get the values like that. 3x square minus 2x square x square, 3 2s are 6xy, 3y square minus 2y square y square. The first 3 terms are x square plus 6x plus 6xy plus y square, means the option is either the third option or fourth option. Understand all of you? No, there is no need to take the complete simplification. Just find only the some values of this answer only. Okay. First 3 terms are x square plus 6x plus y plus y square. Now take the x term. 3 2s are x, 2 2s are minus 4x. 6x plus 4x is equal to 10x. That is nothing but the last option. That's all. It is enough to find only some terms to get the answer. Okay, that's all. Now to the next problem. A, B, C 3 points are given. Center of the circle passing through A comma B comma C is equal to H comma K. Then what is 2K minus 4H? Okay, we have to find the equation of circle passing through 3 points. Now to get the answer easily, I am finding the perpendicular bisectors equation point of intersection. What is the perpendicular bisection of the side BC? Find the slope value. BC slope minus 1 by 2. Then perpendicular slope is equal to minus 1 by minus 1 by 2 becomes 2. And midpoint of these two is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. That is answer is equal to 0, 1 by 2. Okay. First to find the midpoint of BC and perpendicular slope value. Now what is ST equation? Perpendicular bisector y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay. Now find the second equation. SE equation. AB slope is equal to 4 by minus 1 means perpendicular slope is equal to 1 by 4. And midpoint of AB is equal to 5 by 2 comma 1. SE equation. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Slope is equal to 1 by 4. x1 y1 is equal to midpoint. Find the equation. Now take the point of intersection of these two lines. You get the values h comma k. Now what is 2k minus 4h? K is equal to 5 by 4 and h is equal to 1 by 14, minus 1 by 14. So answer will be 14 by 14 equals to 1. That's all. Very easy. Only simply find the center and replace the values. Take the center as the h comma k and replace the values in the given question. Okay, that's all. Very easy question. Here we have so many processes. We have to apply the condition like SC is equal to SP is equal to SC also. ఇలా కూడా చేయొచ్చు సమ్ని. నేను ఏంటంటే ఈజీ కౌంటింగ్ కోసం పెర్పెండిక్యులర్ బైజెక్టర్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ చేస్తాను. ఓకే, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ప్రొసెసర్ యూ కెన్ యూస్ టు సాల్వ్ దిస్ క్వశ్చన్. దట్స్ ఆల్. Now see the next problem. Let P comma Q be the inverse points with respect to the circle S is equal to 0 and C is the center of the circle S is equal to 0 and CP into CQ is equal to 4, P is equal to 1 comma 2, Q is equal to A comma B. Then what is 2A value? Okay, so given that here one circle is given that P comma Q are inverse points and CP into CQ is equal to 4 given. Already we know that the formula CP into CQ is equal to R square, the definition of the inverse points. That is clearly given that R square is equal to 4 means R is equal to 2. Now find the radius value and equate that value to 2, then you get the value K value, which is nothing but K is equals to 9. Okay, this condition is given for the purpose of the R square, that is R square is equal to 4 is clearly given. By using that R square I am finding the K value. Okay, this is the circle equation. Now what is the inverse point? How to find the inverse point? First find the polar of this circle with respect to the point 1 comma 2. Okay, that is S1 is equal to 0. What is the S1 notation? x1 plus 5y1. Okay, minus half of this value minus 2 of x plus x1, half of this value minus 3 of 5 plus y1 plus 9. Okay, this is the xx1 plus yy1 minus 2 of x plus x1 minus 3 of 5 plus y1 plus 9 is equal to 0. Now replace that x1 y1 is equals to 1 comma 2 and do the simplification. Then you get the value x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now to this one I am finding the foot of the perpendicular. Okay, a point is taken, the center point, center is equal to 2 comma 3. Now what is the foot of the perpendicular formula? H minus x1 by a is equals to k minus y1 by b is equals to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Okay, what are h comma k? These are nothing but the a comma b. We have to find h comma k values. What is x1 y1? Center of the circle, that is 2 comma 3. What are abc? Abc are the values which are taken from the line, which are nothing but the 1 2 3's. Okay, 1 2 1 1 minus 1. abc values are 1 1 minus 1. Replace the values and take the simplification. H minus 2 is equal to, equate this value to last value minus 2. Then you get the value h is equal to 0 and this h is nothing but the a value. We want the 2a value, that is equal to 0. Okay, no need to find the k value. మనకి k value అడగలేదు, b value, only a value ని అడిగారు. So h is equal to 0 means a is equal to 0 and 2a is equal to 0. That's all. This is the answer. Understand all of you? Okay, I will continue the remaining sums in the next class. Okay.